Oh yeah, so that video stopped recording, so we're gonna continue unboxing. Kashka, don't do that again. Don't do that again. Baba, no. No. Can Papa go? Can Papa go? Of course you would say no. All babies do that. No!
I'll go again.
Okay, I'm going serious mode now.
I'll go again.
The video would have been better because I'm sure that some of you guys will like her if you're a girl. So we're just gonna try to open. Oh, I think I bent something. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to do. Never mind. Let's just break it open. This is probably a bad idea. Yay, got it open. Got it open.
Just open it. Just open it.
It's okay, it already open. It's 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 already. Baba, stop. Stop. I tried to do the less damage I could, but of course, all unboxings, something will happen like this. I'm gonna put my gun here. No. Kachka, go. No. Now she's sitting on the shelf. Kachka, no. Amma. Let's just do more. I'm speaking my own. Kanchka was sitting on the shelf. Kanchka was sitting on the
நீ தள்ளி வா பதக்க பின்னாடி நீ குத்திக்கத டக்கு நீ அடி போட்றாரு ஷே
I did just now.
ஐயோ
I did just now.
அடிக்க நல்லா வெளிய வாங்கலாம் ரெண்டு பேரும் வெளிய வந்து பண்ணுங்கப்பா அந்த வேலைய
Amma, I'm funny. Let's come. No, yes.
No, Anna, hold. Stop it. Stop it.
குடுமா
Kanchka, stop. Kanchka, stop it. No. Give on. She's showing him.
அண்ணா கிட்ட கொடு அவரை கட் பண்ணட்டும் ப்ளீஸ் மா குடுமா
Why is she showing her back?
ஐயே ஆல்ரெடி கட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்களா குடு
Papa, stop it.
அது எடுக்க கூடாது அண்ணா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்ல பாதில
Don't mind. She does. Guys, we're gonna start going. You guys might have this gun off. She's coming with me. I didn't check. I just know it. And she did. Oh, I didn't know where to put it. That's why I need to show you. I was like, everything. So guys, this is Kanchka, can you go? Kanchka, can you go over here? Kanchka, go over here. Go over here. No, not over there. Later, if you guys leave a like, then we'll try to do a parkour video, which will probably be very interesting.
I did this, so
Kanchka, can you move?
So,
That's why they're annoying. Once again, I have to find a new spot where I could record peacefully. This is a good spot. Yeah. I can just open up these bullets. This really, I wasn't expecting it to be so hard. I do have some other Nerf guns, but just, they're gone. They're absolutely gone. So if you guys are Nerf gun fan, then you guys can watch this video.
not gun mice. So,
What?
push open the now. So, bring push.
Don't need this anymore. Plus these are brand new bullets. Just hope that like someone doesn't try to eat them. Someone probably will. Now that I said it, Crunch got going. My sister's probably gonna do that. Let's not even talk about it. She's actually gonna do it then. We'll even talk about it. Don't even talk about it in the chat.
I'm better.
Don't even talk about it in the comments.
I talk it.
Don't talk it. Don't
I talk it.
No. No, no, no. No. So I guess I do this. I don't really know like Nerf guns. Mr. That. Okay, that thing's not there. I hope that don't lose any of the bullets.
No.
But no, I just. I'm gonna show out you guys. Let's shoot like something like over here. Oh, that's scaring me.
Then, they're gonna go there.
Scared me.
Scaring me. Papa, don't.
It hit the bed so hard that it went nearby
Papa,
to the
don't
printer.
dancing gonna. They're not scary. I'm not scary at the way it is.
Imagine if you just had like
A
5
billion.
billion.
Big day.
Imagine if you just had like 500 bullets in your pocket and like each time you just take some out of your pocket and then you just put them back in while you shoot it, then someone will get hurt.
Yeah,
I say don't try that. I don't even think that I should try. Anyways, I cannot try that because I don't have that much bullets. All the bullets are smacked everywhere. By this little person right here. I'm not showing Papa. I'm showing Papa. I'm showing Kanchika. Stop. Guys, that's the epic unboxing of the Nerf gun.